This question is make 3 strings equal. So you're giving string 1, string 2, and string 3. So what you need to do is you want to find out the common substring basically. So you want to return the minimum number of operations required to make the string equal. So in example 1, AB, AB, AB are the common substring. And how do we know how many operations we have? So think about this. So if AB is the common substring, right? So think about this. The index for S1 is going to be here. For index for S2 is going to be here. Index for S3 is going to be the last one, right? So they are the same. So how many total length for S1, S2, S3? So S total is going to be S1 plus S2 plus S3. So if this is the case, so it's going to be 8, right? So how many common substring total length they have? So this is 2, this is another 2, so it's 4. 4 plus another 2 is 6. So if you know the total substring length, then you can say, oh, the total of S minus the total of substring equal length, then this will be the exactly number. So how do we find out how many common substring they have? We're starting from index 0, and then we want to make sure S1 at char at AI is equal to S2, char at AI is also equal to S3, char at AI. Then we increment our I, right? So this solution is straightforward enough. So, alright, so when I equal to 0, and also I want to make sure the length, so it's going to be min length. So I don't want to traverse any index that is out of bound for the S1, S2, S3. So for example, if index is the minimum index between these three substring, this string S, S1, S2, S3 is 2, right? You don't want to traverse the index S3, right? So we want to make sure we have the correct index, so max.min S1, and then you want to also max.min S2, S3. Alright, so it's not like this, but also you want to put a dot length, right? So this will be the length, and then when you traverse, you just want to make sure I is less than min length, and also S1 dot char AI is equal to S2 dot char AI, and also S2 dot char AI is equal to S3 dot char AI. Then you will increment your I. So at some point when I equal to 0, this cannot, be possible to find out the minimum operation, right? So for example 2, nobody start with D, right? And nobody start with B, nobody start with C, right? And when I say nobody, like they don't have two strings that start with the same character. So you will return -1 right here. And then else it's gonna be easy. So S1 dot S1 dot length plus S2 dot length plus S3 dot length minus the total of the substring. So we already know I is represent the index. Now for each length, the equal length for S, you can say S times I. So this will give you the common substring length for the total. So let me run it. Submit. Cool. So time and space. This is space. Constant time. The worst case is going to be the minimum length, right? So I would say all of n, and n represent that minimum length for these three strings. And then if you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.